Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Gaurav Kumar Jain from Jamia Hamdard University, New Delhi. Today we are going to talk on module Tablet Part 2, that is Tablet Processing and Manufacturing from paper Product Development 1. Hello students, in the previous section we have already discussed about types of tablets, its advantages and disadvantages and formulation components, that is excipients. As you all know that tablets are the most popular and convenient method of drug delivery. Thus, production volume of this dosage form is very huge. It is therefore important that the unit operations such as blending, mixing, drying, granulation involved in their production be thoroughly understood, developed and implemented. This lecture focuses on fundamentals of each discrete processing steps, that is unit operation, with extensive discussion on tablet compression. The lecture will begin with a description of three main processing methods: direct compression, wet granulation and dry granulation. Progressively, we will discuss all the major unit operations associated with manufacturing process. Further, the lecture will emphasize on the equipment and technology associated with the compression, giving us a general understanding of the tablet manufacturing.